Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to backup data of phone in laptop using Smart Switch. For that we need to install Smart Switch on phone first. Go to Play Store and search for Smart Switch. Select it and as I was having this as a pre-built, so I'm getting as enable. Instead for you guys it will be showing as this install. For me, I will enable it and I'll open it. It is asking for me for permissions for whatever the permission we require for doing the backup. Press on continue and allow all these permissions. Click on allow. And now you are ready from phone. Now we need to download software for laptop. Search Smart Switch in browser. See, this is the Smart Switch site of Samsung, official site. Click on that. Now go down. Here, see, download Smart Switch. It's showing Google Play, Windows, and Mac OS. As we are using on Windows, we will download this file. Now, open this file. Click on Yes. Now, accept both the terms. Click on Next. Sometime it may take sometimes depending on your hardware configurations. Asking to create shortcut on desktop. If you wish to, let if you want on desktop, you can turn this off or and it will it's asking for you to run. After on finish, if this says tick marked, it will run the smart switch. Right now I need this, so I will keep it and see it's got turned on. Now you need to unlock your phone first and USB. Your I'm using USB here. You can use depending on your preference. I will use connected USB to PC. See now it's connecting. See now I have device got connected here and I have two options. I can backup or I can restore. Right now I am doing backup, so I will click on backup. See it's asking two options. Uh, Another option is of CSV format for contacts. I don't need to edit anything on contacts, so I will keep as it is. And see here you can choose what all the things you need to backup: documents and files, audios, videos, images, settings, home screen, and apps, messages, call and contacts. You can deselect if you don't want anything. As I need everything, I will backup this. Now click on backup. See, it's asking for location because I don't have enough space in C drive. So I will change the path. Uh, if you people already have enough space in C drive, it may directly start. In my case, it's C drive is full, so it's asking for different location. So I'm selecting another location and I will create new folder, backup 21FE. Whatever you can write, it's just a folder name. One. Click on that and select folder. Now press on retry. It will ask permission on phone. Just you have to unlock it. Now it has option to keep screen on so that you can came to know when it's got completed in phone. I'll keep screen on. It's your choice. You can keep it off also. And backup time depends on your laptop hardware configuration and your phone hardware configuration. If your USB is faster, definitely it will be faster. Even that is depends on your cable also and your phone hardware also. You can see the status here. See, it's now backupping on secure folder. Now it's backupping all the other data stuff in file manager. You can see the path down. See, it's saying a warning. If you are using a laptop, connect your laptop to a power source, uh, and until this is backup is complete, do not unplug the USB cable. It's warning for that. Don't remove the cable. It's saying if there are too many folders and files, it may take some time to backup. And it even saying that it may not backup some folders also. That can be a bug of this. But I think it should back up most of the things and everything. This is only if there is too many files and folders. It may become slow or may cause issue. It's just a warning. It's telling backup done on phone and telling some things got failed. Two things: before resetting your device, make sure to check the data that has not been backed up. Sometimes some items need to be backed up again. See, it's asking this stuff needs to be backed up. Sorry, but it also saying there is no data on it. Maybe if you have data, you need to back up it manually. For apps and for documents, nothing. I think backup is finished now. You can click on OK. It's done. And whenever you want to restore, you can restore from here. Thank you for watching, guys.